So let's talk about pain issues for a second. A lot of people deal with different kinds of pain, sometimes chronic pain. There's different types of pain, different types of pain perception. What I'm going to talk about today is just your average, everyday, uh, you know, normal pain like headaches, joint aches and pains, even the pain of childbirth, which is a normal human activity to experience. Studies have been done on essential oils as it relates to pain, and lavender essential oil can be very helpful with pain in the following ways. The first is that it can help to relax your muscles. So right now, today, I'm suffering from a tension headache from some activity that I did yesterday. And it's not really taking away the pain to put lavender essential oil on there, but it is helping my muscles to relax a bit, which is decreasing the intensity of the headache. The second way that lavender essential oil helps with pain is that it actually has been shown in peer-reviewed studies to decrease the perception of the severity of the pain. And this was studied even in situations of childbirth. It was used to help to calm the birthing mother. And the mothers reported that, yes, they were still experiencing the pain, but it was like they didn't care as much about it, or like the intensity of the pain itself went down. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist. I've been using essential oils in my practice for over 20 years. Essential oils do not fix everything. There's lots that I'm going to say about this in the future. But lavender essential oil is one of our essential oils that we call almost a universal medicine because it helps with so many things for so many different people. Not everyone, especially people that are neuroatypical, may not react to lavender in the same ways that I've described today. But if you're having pain, what you might want to do is take a little bit of lavender essential oil and a little bit of carrier oil in your palm, rub your palms together, and then put it on those aches and pains and see if your pain perception doesn't change. Follow for more.